In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Webex. To get started, open the Webex app on your device and wait for the home screen to fully load. Once you're in the app, look for the Meetings section and click on it. This is where Webex keeps the tools you need for starting, joining, and managing meetings, so it's the right place to begin when you want to create a new one. After that, click on Start. This tells Webex that you want to launch a new meeting right away. At this stage, the app will usually take you to a setup screen before the meeting goes live. This part is important because it gives you a chance to make sure everything is working properly before anyone joins. Now, set up your microphone and camera, check that the correct mic is selected so your voice comes through clearly, and make sure your camera is on and positioned the way you want it. If you don't want to appear on video right away, you can leave the camera off for the moment, but it's still a good idea to confirm that the right device is connected. Taking a few seconds here can help you avoid technical issues once the meeting starts. When everything looks and sounds good, click on Start Meeting. This will open your live Webex meeting room and make it ready for participants to join. Once the meeting is active, you can invite someone directly from within Webex, or you can copy and send the meeting link to a group chat so multiple people can join quickly and easily. And that's all it takes to create a meeting in Webex. If you want the smoothest experience, try setting up your audio and video before important calls so you're ready to go without delays.